Alright, this is an update video. This is March 6th. I'm on my computer today because I'm actually going to break, or like not break down, but I'll show some of the trades that have happened recently. So we're currently 5 trades into the 20 trade challenge. Post, uh, uh, post the initial reset that happened due to like major clarifications needing to be made within the strategy. Basically, the 20 trade challenge was started too early for the first 2 trades. So we're technically 7 trades in since this whole idea of a 20 trade challenge, but the actual systemic 20 trade challenge, we're 5 trades in, and we're 3 trades into the full adjustment to a 24-hour interval monitoring system after the first 4 weeks of the 20 trade challenge, yielding 0 valid setups shown within our 4-hour trading window that we had predetermined. So now I'm just gonna break down the three trades that have happened. Well, not break them down, but I'll show them. 3 trades that have happened since the 24-hour interval system, which started last week. So last Monday was the start, and it's now Thursday. So it's been 9 trading days. We got 3 trades, which is honestly a higher frequency than I was expecting, but like not that much higher. I was expecting 1 trade a week, but we got 2 this week and 1 last week. So the first trade was this AU trade. Again, it's the same strategy, or I don't even think I showed this strategy on this channel before. This is the Lord strategy, is what I call it. Basically, we have a higher time frame key level. I won't really show it. Basically, the strategy is built on a price being primed for a reversal in terms of its price action. Like it's trending pretty strongly into a higher time frame key level that has a very high potential to yield some type of reversal. Then once we come into the higher time frame zone, I'm looking for a strong initial reaction from the zone that could signal, like give an early signal that price is about to reverse and cause people to actually place orders with their stops below. And that's where my level of liquidity gets generated. So that happened here. We hit this level, instant bullish momentum. That was a nice area for liquidity. We had those 2 little rejections and immediate bullish reversal momentum coming out the higher time frame level. And then I'm just waiting for it to run the stops. You see it came up, hit this order block, and then dropped down and ran the stops here. So now we've taken liquidity. We've taken fake out liquidity on a higher time frame level, and we've stopped them out all entirely, and then immediately reverse into a more strong bullish order flow, like a demand zone, breaking out of this little trend line that we've been holding, and then closing above this level of structure. I'm using my mouse pads, I can't really zoom in. And then we got a fair value gap attached to the order block, and that's where my limit is, entry right there. So like for this 20 trade challenge, I just set my risk to reward to a fixed 2.5. But this strategy is designed to catch higher risk to rewards than that. But I just wanted something safe and mechanical for the 20 trade challenge. So yeah, this was last Wednesday. That was the first trade. Second trade was this Tuesday. We took a loss. Same concept, perfect trade. Everything was executed perfectly. We hit this higher time frame zone, started rejecting, and then formed with this bullish supply push. Like this was looking like some great reversal momentum to come off of the zone potentially for anybody looking to sell. So that was my point of liquidity. Came up, ran it, immediate, rejected hard, reversed again with this bearish order flow to supply zone. We're breaking out this little bearish counter trend line right here. Close below that level of structure. We got a fair value gap attached to the order block. Entered as soon as we tapped in. Nice rejection close off the rip. And then pushed for a little and then reversed on us. So yeah, I mean, it was a perfectly executed trade. It was just a natural loss. And then the third trade today, same thing again. Coming to the higher time frame level. Start rejecting immediate extreme bullish order flow. These 2 huge bullish candles coming off the zone. Got that level of liquidity to get swept. Price immediately comes down, sweeps it, and then after sweeping it, grabs liquidity, flies up for this demand push, which has this fair value gap right at the bottom of it. But instead of entering at the fair value gap, it was too high. The stop loss would have been too big to get that swing low. So I entered off of the actual order block of this range, which is this lowest bearish close candle. I'm not entering off of this blue candle for the order block here, but the actual order block of this whole like range right here, which is this candle. So I entered right on the top of that order block, had a limit set, and then yeah, 2.5 hour like fixed risk to reward for now. And yeah, that ended up pushing 1 to 5, stopped out, and then what is it? 1 to 8. So yeah, after the 20 trades, and this is how most of the winning trades are 1 to 5 minimum. After the 20 trade challenge, I'm gonna develop a system of trailing stop optimization to actually take advantage of the higher time frame move because this is essentially a higher time frame move off of a key level, just with a lower time frame manipulation entry. And then yeah, this is my journal where I'm tracking everything. I literally don't track P&L. I don't track none of that. I've completely reframed my brain to track execution instead of results. The only result I track is if it's a win or a loss. So my execution is right here. It's like indicated by a colored box. If it was a terrible execution, meaning something emotional or something like this, broken a rule, it's red. See, that was happening straight in the beginning. Then I deliberately spent days reprogramming my mind using AI to have execution be my base of reference for success and had straight green days except one yellow day. And yeah, that's all I track. Even on the no trading days, I'm tracking. And I have like a slight description of the day or what I was feeling, something like that. It's not that in-depth journaling, but the main idea is that it's focused on execution and not results, P&L and L and monetary gain. So yeah, that's where I'm at for now, and I gotta end the video because I got like a 10-minute limit on my YouTube uploads, or they won't let it upload.